I used to think something was wrong with me. Tired, foggy, achy, unmotivated. I prayed for healing and never once questioned my water. Not soda, not coffee, not a few sips. Water. Then I learned something that stopped me cold. Thousands of people were healed with water alone. Not a pill, not a procedure. But no one ever taught us how to use it correctly. The Healing Water Challenge isn't a miracle, it's a reset. A simple, guided way to relearn the most forgotten habit in modern life: drinking water the way the body was designed to need it. 40 days, a plan, a tracker, a rhythm your body remembers. You're not broken. You might just be thirsty.